girl, you're so fine, I can't get you off my mind. Ooh girl, nah nah. Ooh girl, nah nah. Baby girl, don't need to flex. Dance to the rhythm and you do all the rest. Ooh girl, nah nah. Ooh girl.
Hey, hi beautiful, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, my name is Pheladi and I hope you are still doing well. If you'd like to see me again, kindly click on the subscribe button down below so you don't miss out on another upload. Seeing as I have already done my brows, I'm going to go right ahead and jump into this base, and I'm going to prime my face using my Makeup Revolution Onyx Primer. Now to contour, I will be applying my Makeup Revolution foundation stick in the shade F18. I will apply my LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Warm Honey to highlight the center of my face. For foundation, I will be wearing my She Glam Complexion Pro foundation, which I am in the shade Hazelnut. When it comes to this method of doing my base, I always start out by blending my contour, followed by my foundation, then lastly my concealer. This is where we like to say, trust the process. What I like about this method is that you end up using less product, especially foundation, and it cuts your base application time in almost half because you do everything at once instead of step by step. Up next, foundation. And remember to always pat your products. Never swipe like that, just pat them into place like so. I absolutely love this foundation. It is my perfect shade. I don't know how many times I will reiterate that, but yeah, I've never used a foundation rather that has matched my skin tone completely without looking like, you know, foundation. And when it comes to the concealer underneath my eyes, I always start, you beauties already know, with the one on the outskirts first. Another important tip is to remember to go back and forth between your brushes just to make sure that everything is looking nice and well blended. Up next, I'm going to apply my She Glam liquid blush in the shade Swipe Right. The reason why I apply my product in an upward motion like this is because I want to give myself an elongated face, and if you apply blush here, it gives the illusion that your face is drooping. What I do with the blush is that I just pat it into the concealer and the contour. Now to brighten up my under eye area, just so that I seem more awake, I'm going to be using my Revlon Candid, which I'm in the shade Creme Brulee. I mean, how beautiful is that finish, bestie? Right after that, I'm going to immediately set this concealer using my Sobe Powder to You loose and medium setting powders.
lights out, hearts beating faster in a minute. I'm high on slow dancing with you. 1, 2, 3, keep it going.
To set my contour, I will be going in with my smudge pressed powder, which is in the shade Mahogany. To set the rest of my face and my nose contour, I will be going in with my Yardley pressed powder. This one is in the shade Walnut. The warmth of this powder just ties everything together because all the other powders are cool. This just brings a warmer feel to my face. And now for the second half of today's makeup tutorial, the eyes. I'm almost jealous to apply any eyeshadow because my face is looking so flawless, honey. I mean, when I feel I can just pop on lashes and I'm good to go. But I've been dying to do a sunset cut crease, and I've been dying to do it with the Spectrum eyeshadow palette by Modern Doll. So that is what we're gonna do. We're gonna stick to the plan, and we will do an everyday makeup look like this one of these days. Just please remind me if I do forget and I do a look after a look after a look, because you know how I can be. So without any further ado, let me prime my lid space using my Makeup Revolution Prime and Lock eyeshadow primer. So for today's eyeshadow look, as I did mention before, I will be going in with my Modern Dolls Spectrum eyeshadow palette. And the first shade I will be going in with is this navy right here. And the next shade I will be going in with is the purple. And then I will blend it out with this shade right here, in that order. I like to start my eyeshadow from dark to light. It's only in a rare occasion that I will start from light to dark. And then I'm going to take a small blending brush just to diffuse the harsh edges so that the shadow becomes easier to blend when we're ready.
It's been so long I can't remember your taste now.
And now to cut my crease, I will be going in with my Makeup Revolution Cut Crease Canvas in the shade Halo. And now for my mobile lid, I'm going to go in with the 1, 2, and 3 on my lid, and I feel like going in with a dash of this white here on my inner corner, but let's put on the oranges and the mustards and then we will take it from there. Alright, so beauties, I'm going to apply this shadow facing down because it is falling all over my beautiful blended concealer, and I didn't put enough powder there, so I don't want it to stain. So I'm just going to continue with those patting motions. You're really not going to miss much, and I will be back to put on my liner. Okay, so I have decided to apply the white shade in the innermost part of my mobile lid. My sunset has white in it. And now for liner, I will apply this liner that I got in a pack of 14 from Shein. And now for lips, I'm going to go in with a pink nude lip. So I will line them with my brown eye pencil, which I bought from my local Chinese mall. Then I will go in with this Essence Stay Matte liquid lipstick in the shade Date Proof. For the center of my lips, I will go in with this Naked Beauty Mocha Lip Gloss.
Girl, I see your face everywhere. When I'm going out, you'll be there. 'Cause everything reminds me of you. I can't take no more. Girl, I think I'm losing my mind. Try to go to work, but I lost track of time. 'Cause everyone keeps looking like.
And now to lock everything in, I will be going in with my Maybelline Lasting Fix Setting Spray. The reason why it's got this different nozzle on top is because they come faulty from Take A Lot, so I wonder if it's fake or what, because the nozzle hardly sprays, and this is the second bottle that I bought that's like that. Anyway.
Myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me.
And just like that, beautiful, we have made it to the end of today's makeup tutorial. If you enjoyed this beat, kindly click on this tutorial up here to watch next, because I know you're gonna love that one as well. And if you haven't already, my darling, please subscribe to my channel and show your girl some love. I will catch up with you again in my next one. Bye.
I gave my all to deserve ya. Begging on my knees just to show ya. You're the one I want and I love ya. No, 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 no lie. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you with someone else. Can't